I know your despair is real. It's horrific. I don't know that there's much anyone can say to comfort you. It takes time, but there are people that want to help. It's difficult to make those connections. If you don't get the answers you want, appeal. I think that's something I learned a long time ago. I will leave that at that, the word appeal.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But I think a lot of times, like we said, there's an administrative process, and we don't understand. Not only are we blinded by this disaster and overwhelmed and distraught, we need help, and we need basic help. But you have to hang in there if you have the capacity to do so, and just ask. And people do want to help. I think they do. Just ask the right people and keep asking till you get to the right person.